Welcome! If you want to record sounds on your NOKIA 7.2, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search, and right here you have to type the recorder, then go for one of this application. I will go for the voice recorder, so let's click on the install. Okay, right now we can open it, click allow a few times, and when you want to start record sounds you have to click on this button, and right now it's recording, and if you want to stop just click on the same button right here. As you can see, we can save our file, but in my case I'm going to cancel, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.